can't believe we've never made this on this channel before, but today we are making Biscoff brownies. Making Biscoff brownies. We're making Biscoff brownies. How have I never made them on this channel? I am obsessed with Biscoff. You will see I've got cookies, I've got cakes, I've got all sorts, but somehow I've not done brownies. So that is what we're making today. I'm going to pull you closer and then we'll get baking. First thing you want to do is grease and line your tin. I think this is 8 by 10 inch rectangle tin, but I will pop everything in the description. Then we need to melt our butter and sugar. Not sugar, chocolate. So I'm going to pop our butter in there along with our dark chocolate and get that melted on a really low heat. Whilst that's melting, I'm gonna melt our Biscoff spread a little bit. I could literally eat Biscoff from the jar. And then I'm gonna melt that in the microwave just in like 10-second blasts. Our chocolate and butter has melted, so I'm gonna leave that to the side to cool down slightly. Then we're gonna get our sugars. I've done mostly brown sugar and less caster sugar in this because I want it to create that caramel flavour. Along with our eggs and vanilla. Need to get some more vanilla, I'm running out. Then we're gonna mix this together. You don't want to over mix it, you just want to make sure it's all thoroughly mixed in. And then we're going to pour in our dark chocolate mixture and gently stir this together. It looks and smells delicious already. Then in this bowl I've got plain flour, cocoa powder and salt. So I'm going to pop that in. And again, just give it a nice gentle mix. Look at that. Delicious. Right, I'm going to pop that to one side. I'm going to grab a piping bag, put it over a glass. You can use this method for everything. I'm only using it today though because my Biscoff spread is really hot. I'm just going to pour my Biscoff in here. Right, leave that in there. Grab our tin and we're going to pour our brownie mix in. Then we're going to spread this out so it's nice and even. It will even out in the oven. Make sure not to waste any. And just cut the end off my brownie, my Biscoff, and I'm going to go in the centre and pull up. I want to create like blobs of Biscoff spread in the brownie batter. I'm just doing this randomly. And then I'm just going to drizzle some over the top because you can never have too much Biscoff. And then we're going to bake this at 160 degrees, that's for a fan assisted oven, for about 22-ish minutes. You don't want to over bake them, you want to actually under bake them. So stick a skewer in, and if it comes out slightly wet, then you're good to take them out. If it looks raw, then just keep them in for a few more minutes. Now is the really hard bit where we have to let it cool in the tin, and then we have to cool them in the fridge before we can eat them, because that is what is going to create our fudgy texture. Before that though, I am going to pop some biscuits on top. Just going to press them in. As you can see, we've got like a nice crinkly top as well, which is always a good sign. And then I have these Biscoff cream ones as well. That should just about do it, I reckon. So yeah, leave these to cool in the tin and then pop them in the fridge for about a couple of hours, unfortunately. But I will see you then and show you the finished results. Okay, now it's time to cut them up and see what they look like inside. Oh, I'm excited. I always cut wonky though, is the issue. Ta-da! Got the Biscoff running through it. Lovely and fudgy. You can see how fudgy they are, especially the middle ones. There we go. Now it's time to taste test one of them. They are delicious. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.